All right. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the New York Live. It is 8 a.m. Eastern now. We are moving into the last trading day of the week. Just a small announcement for the discussions sessions today. We will. I'll just touch base with all the four topics that we've discussed over the past 6 to 7 sessions, 10 sessions, sorry. We'll put it all together, and starting Monday, I would want to discuss the wave principle, the five basic topics of the wave principle, which should be very helpful if you are interested in the various patterns of the wave principle. Right, so kindly make note of that. Next Monday onwards, I think it will be at least 5 sessions where we will discuss about the wave principle, starting from the basic tenets. All right, let's get started. We are just about 30 minutes away from the NFPs to be announced. If you look at the wave counts, there is no change in the trade setup, so I'm not going to discuss about what you should trade. I mean, we have already taken positions. I'm going to cut short this session to less than 10 minutes actually. The recent boundary in euro, which is or should be worked upon, is between 1770 and 2085. Please make sure till the time 1717 is intact, Euro USD might be forming a base again at the 1900 handle, which we are targeting with a short-term trade setup on the sell side. The risk being at 2100, stop loss around 2100. All right. Even the Fibonacci ratios should be coming around the same lines. The one good thing that I see, the charts are telling us a story that in spite of the new high which formed in the euro last yesterday around these times, the divergence scenarios keep the down trend or the intermediary downtrend intact for now. It's good actually. Watch out for 19,000 levels. Right, we are short and we would like to remain short with the stop around the 2100 mark. GBP USD has carved out a neat little boundary that is being worked upon right now. It has also been retraced almost by about 60%. There you are, the 61.8%, and the counter trend line might have also been broken. The first soft target for pound with a stop loss of 36.60 should remain short with a soft target of around 3300 levels. Immediate basis in the next 2 to 3 trading sessions, that is for short-term view, and for a bit longer term, the daily chart suggests that till the time prices remain grossly below 36.50, sorry, we are headed south, and in a big way actually. It's about 26 and even lower levels to be seen on pound. This is a multi weeks, I would say at least 3 months, where you can see prices dropping towards the 2500 handle, even lower. Right. Dollar CAD, we are a bit tentative actually. but we've gone long, and you would like to remain long till the time prices remain above that's uh, low at 2432. We remain stop at 2400. The structure is still looking constructive for the bulls. 5 waves followed by 353. By all probable there should be a 5 waves rally which is expected. It is not only the chart patterns, there is a potential morning star, but it's also about the oscillators which we discussed last time. Alright, so USD Canada on the long side with the stop around 2400 mark. I am planning to change the protocol of the live session starting Monday as well. Each instruments shall be posted differently along with the 2 live sessions, right, as a case studies. That will give more leverage and understanding of what's going on and what's going on in my mind as far as the charts are concerned. And what I would like to also hear from you is some more engagement if you're listening to me right now, online or an offline mode. All these short videos that I intend to post from Monday, it would be great if you can look into that and also comment. So what's your thoughts on it? I'm receiving comments regularly from a few, and that is very interesting to see, and because it's a learning process for all, at least for me. I mean, I find myself learning each day when I sit in front of the chart. It's all about what the waves are talking a story, or what the story has been conveyed by the waves to us. As far as the dollar index is concerned, we are fine. Not yet another low formed as what Euro USD did. That's the first boundary which is being worked upon and is being retraced nicely. Now it's either going to go and print to 5 waves towards 95, 97, or at least 93 level, at least towards 93, and then one last leg lower around the 9100 mark. We are trying to catch this 93 rally. We need to break, prices need to break above 92.25 for that at least. And in case of the dollar CAD, a break about 25.50 is required to instill further confidence on the bullish side. Otherwise, you may see yet another low. Let's see where it could be, if it is going to produce an ending diagonal sort of a structure. Somewhere around the 24.75 mark, completing 5 down and then a rally. 25.50 needs to be broken in any case in that. The one chart which we are literally focusing is gold in a personal level as well, because we've been stopped out 4 times in the past 15 days or so. I would like to discuss on the daily chart first. Quite a bit of possibility that 3 waves might have completed, and looking at the rally here, which is an impulse, it's clearly an impulse. There might be an A, B and C before it drops lower again. All Right, so we are just expecting a retracement right now towards, okay, this is the boundary which is being worked upon. We are expecting a retracement. Let's say that's the entire boundary, which could be retraced at least 50% or the 61.8% mark. Somewhere around the 1270 region. So support begins from 1291 and it goes all the way towards 1270. Push below that would bring us to a different level actually. Then it would open up doors for a push towards 1200 levels as well. Right. For a short term view, I would be watching somewhere between 1270 and 1280 to take profits. Right, on these shorts, which I have already initiated, but I've given a suggestion to wait for a break until 1310 and then sell on rallies. All right, so I'm just waiting for 5 counts on the 15 minutes chart, and I think we should be getting it in the next 20-25 minutes or so. Other trades are quite encouraging. I mean, crude oil is now retaliating from yesterday's highs around 62.20, but we still need to see a break below 62.25 to instill further confidence on the bearish setup. At least on the weekly chart, it is looking very good, and it's going to surprise most of the traders who are looking on the long side. It's not the time to buy crude, it's time to sell, and that is where bears are looking at. A soft target itself would bring it towards 42 before a meaningful retracement occurs. So crude oil, case studies are due for crude oil, dollar index, euro, gold, and all the instruments that we have been trading. So I'm changing the format of posting videos online for the UK and the New York live sessions. We'll be touching as we are doing regularly. No change in that, but we'll increase the individual chart analysis and posting of the videos. Alright, that would make a lot of sense, I think. Alright, so let's bring this session to a pause again, and thank you always for your time, either online or offline. Do send in your comments, very valuable, and it helps a lot. Alright, see you soon again. I think we'll be posting, or I'll be posting a basic educational video, not today, but not online today. So let us skip the online session for today, but I'll send across a detailed summary of what we have done in the past 10 days and a stepwise summary, either late tonight or tomorrow for you to watch. Okay, and from Monday let's start discussing the wave principle. All right, let's focus for the next few hours. I mean, I want to focus on the trading aspect after the NFP's noise is out. All right, so one last piece of suggestion is, don't please run behind prices. Even if the stop loss triggers, that is fine. We've already traded euro on the short side, pound on the short side, USD Canada on the long side. Gold, I am already short. You might be looking to go short again. Aggressive traders on a break below 1310. Okay, please go short on a break below 1310, or wait for a pullback after that and then go short. In the dollar index we are long, and crude oil we are short. So quite a few trades to be watched, and that's the reason why I'm calling for the educational session to be recorded later today or tomorrow, which will be made available for you to go through all these sessions. It's kind of a revision, and next Monday, coming Monday, we start off with the wave principle. All right, so thank you again for your support and cooperation, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. Going forward, it's just going to be a subscription on the YouTube channel that I'm going to focus on. All right, so kindly be there and kindly stay there and spread the word if you're liking it. All right, I'll be back again live Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. All right, until then, have a blessed weekend, brothers and sisters, and take care and God bless. Goodbye.